This video gives an introduction to serialized inventory management in Nimbus. Serialized inventory is required for electronics like mobiles, refrigerators, where we need to keep track of particular serial number while selling and taking back and receiving from the vendors. For example, we have a phone, we just have one SKU for this, but if we purchase 3 different units, we will have 3 different serial numbers for it. So the first step in serialized inventory management is the definition of the item, the serial item, and while defining this, we mark this as serial item. Now the system knows it has to take serial number for every inventory transaction. Now the first step usually is the receipt of goods from the vendors, and when we purchase, if there is 3 quantity, then we enter 3 different serial numbers, and we can load through a file also if there are many serial numbers. Whenever we do this, these serial numbers are added to the inventory. Now the next step usually is the sale. We can sell unit to the customer, and if it's a serialized item, the system will ask for a serial number, and here we can give the serial number. System also gives facility to enter or create the serial number at the time of sales if we have not already done so or not entered its purchase. Similarly, while returning from the customer for a serialized item, we can enter a serial number, and at the time of sale, the serial number gets out of the inventory, and at the time of customer return, serial number gets back into the inventory. Another activity is return to vendor. Sometimes we have to return, and for a serialized item we need to give the serial number here while returning to vendor, and this again goes out of the inventory. Now within the system we can keep track of a particular serial number about all the activities performed on it. For example, serial number is 115, then we can see when was it created, through which GRN it came into inventory, and if we subsequently have sold, sales return, return to vendor, all entries will be here.